We just had a beautiful Hacienda hallway dinner to celebrate the release of our 2022 Rosé of Pinot Noir. I've always been really inspired by Lulu of Domaine Tempier. She is an incredible hostess, incredibly generous, and makes such delicious food. So I've turned to her book, Lulu's Provencal Table, as inspiration. And today we're going to make Gougères, which I think is one of the best ways to start a dinner party. They're salty and warm, still really light, but will make your whole house smell incredible. First, we're gonna combine a cup of water, 5 tablespoons of butter, and a few pinches of salt, and bring that to a boil. So once the water's boiling and all the butter's melted, we'll turn off the heat and then add a cup of flour, and then stir that until you get a smooth mass, and then we'll turn the heat back on and cook it over a medium flame. You want to keep mixing it the whole time here, and you'll see a film start to develop at the bottom of the pan. Next, I'm just going to pour this out of the pan. Now I'm going to add 4 eggs and incorporate them one at a time. So you want to make sure it's fully mixed before adding the second. Next, I'm going to add our Gruyere cheese. I have about 3.5 ounces here, and I'm going to add some black pepper. Now I'm just stirring to incorporate all of that. Now that the cheese is fully incorporated, we can get piping. Gougères are essentially cheese puffs. So I'm holding the bag in the same spot until the very end where you just lift straight up. So I have a little bowl of water, and I'm just gonna tap the tops down, and this will help it stay like a nice round shape. Now I'm just going to grate a little bit more cheese on top, and then a little bit more black pepper, and some flaky salt. Now these go into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. It smells amazing. Let's take a look at our Gougères. Oof, so beautiful. Look at those cuties. I'm just gonna dive right in. I can't resist. They smell too good. The bottoms are perfectly golden brown. Oof. I mean, come on. They're the best. So delicious, so cheesy, kind of crunchy on the outside and gooey in the middle. It doesn't get much better than that.